From the warehouse screen, you first need to enter the receiver's destination information on the left side of the screen. Next, on the right side of the screen, you will need to select Purolator Freight as the carrier from the drop-down list. As you change the carrier from Purolator to Purolator Freight or vice versa, fields on the user interface will be added or removed to match the shipment requirements. Next, select the shipment type weighing option to meet your needs. You may have options depending on your system preferences for weigh each piece, weigh one piece, or weigh total shipment. For this example, we will use the option to weigh total shipment, which is typical of a freight or LTL type shipment. Enter the total shipment weight in the total weight field and select the proper weight unit. In the handling unit field on the handling quantity type line, enter the number of units in the shipment and then select your handling type from the provided drop-down list. On the piece quantity type line, enter in the piece quantity and select the piece type from the drop-down list. Enter the dimensions of the shipment to allow the system to produce the best rate taking the dimensions and the weight into consideration. Please note that when entering dimensions for skids that are above 6 feet in height, the customer will be charged at a height of 8 feet since we cannot stack the customer's shipment. This is a cubing business rule included in our terms and conditions. For example, if your shipment consists of 2 skids of 52 by 48 by 80 inches high with 50 boxes per skid, your total number of handling units will be 2, the handling type selected from the drop-down list will be skid, the piece quantity will be 100, and the piece type will be box. The rate returned will be on the actual dimensions entered. However, the actual amount billed will be based on dimensions of 52 by 48 by 96 inches high. Because 80 inches is above 6 feet, we always bill to 96 inches since we cannot stack the customer's shipment. Enter a description in the description of goods field. The description provided should be clear and accurate description of the goods being shipped. This description will display on the bill of lading. Click on the Add button and you will see the shipment appear in the package table below. Click on Options to select any shipment options known as accessorials. Choosing your options will return a more accurate rate based on the information provided. A new window will open that contains 3 tabs. On the Shipment tab is where you will be able to select the most common shipment options. When your option selections are complete, click Done to close this window and return to the warehouse screen to continue. Click on the Rate button at the bottom of the page. You will see the rate result on the top of the screen based on the information that you entered. You can click on the rate charge to see a detailed breakdown of your shipment, such as the base transportation rate, the fuel surcharge, any applicable accessorials, and the taxes as well as the delivery date.